Okay.
Hey, I got it. All right. Have fun here, chubs. All right. Well, here we are. This thing here can take up to 10 pumps. Anything past that, you don't want to go ahead and do it because it could be dangerous. So, let's see what we got this time. We shall pull it back and reset, and we're ready to go. And let's see, I haven't tried a little small bottle. Maybe I'll try that one next. Alright, can't tell if it hit it or not. Well, so far this thing looks like it does seem to work pretty well. It does get noticeably harder when you get it up there. Alright, let's see where I'm at there. Okay. I think that should be it. Alright, let's try this again. Try that small bottle this time with a pellet in it, I hope. Nope, still to get a pellet. Nope, missed it. Alright, hold on. Yep. Same problem with this thing, not knowing where that pellet is. So, here we go again. Okay. Now, I think I'll shoot the second shoot and see where I got the bullseye the last time. That way I get an idea where I'm hitting on it. Whoa! I actually bounced the pellet off too. How'd they do that? I went through the same hole twice. Awesome. I did. Okay. I thought I missed that one. Okay. Well, anyhow, this Crossman does seem to work pretty well. And there we are for today. Something different for you. Thanks for watching.